This is part 2 of how to list products to your Shopify store. In this video, we'll discuss the second option, manually uploading product data to Shopify. First, go to the inventory list. Here you can download and upload a single product, or select multiple products to download them all in a single file, and upload them all together to Shopify. Let's try the single download option first. Choose the product you want to list. Click Actions, then Download. Let's download the product feeds file first. And please choose Ship to Country. And select Shopify format. Please pay attention to this. After you download the file, please open it, check, and change the default weight to pound, and the default currency to US dollar, if necessary. Anyway, please click Download now. Then please wait a while and go to the Download Center to get the file when it's ready. The file will be stored in the Download Center for 30 days, you may come back later to download it again. The file you downloaded is a zip package. Please locate and extract the file first. You will see a CSV file of product details and some product pictures in JPG format. Next, log into your Shopify account. Go to the Products page. Click Import. Then Add File. Locate and select the CSV file. Check this option if you want to update the same product already added with the latest info. If you are not sure about the upload process, read the Shopify guide on importing products, and there's a video as well. Anyway, please click Upload and continue to the next step. Here, please review your product info and make corrections if necessary. Doba has tried its best to align the product's data on Doba with it on Shopify, so in most cases, you don't need to do extra editing. If you do make corrections, and click Save Column Headings or Cancel to continue. Finally, click the Import Products button. When the import is complete, you will find the inventory is 0. You need to go back to Doba to download the inventory and price file of the same product. Choose the same Ship to Country in the CSV format. Then click Download now. Wait a while and the download will begin automatically. Click to open it. Find the inventory, and copy it. Go to Shopify, find the product and click its name. Scroll down. And paste the inventory figure here. Then click Save to finish. Go back to the products list, you will see the inventory now. Congratulations! The whole product is uploaded successfully. You may also bulk download and upload products. On the inventory list page, choose multiple products and click the download button on top. The following steps are mostly the same, so we'll just skip them. Please note, manually uploaded products won't be shown on the listings page. You have to manually monitor and update your products if they are updated on Doba. Direct listing to the Shopify option is always recommended. Consider the manual option as a backup. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.